Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome to Maths online class. So, from the part profit and loss, we discussed how to find profit, loss, and how to find selling price. Practice these questions with the help of extra problems. Otherwise, it will not lay in your mind. Today, we are going to discuss on another how to find cost price. How to find cost price when selling price, profit or loss is given. So when all this comes, it will create a confusion among you. So frame yourself some extra questions and practice. We'll detail today's topic with some examples. Can we find cost price when profit or loss is given? In the previous class we discussed how to find selling price. Now we are going to discuss how can we find cost price. Here given what? Selling price is given and either profit or loss is given. So when profit is given, we have finding cost price by selling price minus profit. And when loss is given, we are finding the cost price by adding selling price with loss. So how we are finding the cost price? Here when profit is given, cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. And when loss is given, cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Now we can apply this concept in following examples. So first example, here given selling price rupees 25,000, profit 2,575. We need to find cost price. So how we will find cost price? If profit is given, cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. What is cost price? Cost price equal to selling price minus profit. So here what is selling price? 25,000. Profit is given as 2,575. Subtracting. Here since we are having 0, we are borrowing and subtracting. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Here these two same. So how much is the cost price? Rupees 22,425 is the cost price. Next example, given selling price is equal to rupees 559.50 paisa and loss rupees 52.51 paisa. We have to find what? Cost price. So if selling price and loss is given, how we find the cost price? Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. So adding 529.50 plus 52.51. First adding the decimal part. 1 here, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 here, carry over. 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12. Carry over again. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 5. So what is the answer here? Rupees 582, 0.01. So the cost price is rupees 582.01. Next example. The selling price of computer is rupees 45,000. At what price the shopkeeper bought the computer if he made a profit of rupees 4,250. So what is given in the question? The selling price of computer, that means SP. SP of computer is given how much? Rupees 45,000. At what price the shopkeeper bought? That means what we have to find here? Bought means what? Cost price. We have to find the cost price. One more fact is given. By selling the computer, what he made? A profit or loss? He made a profit of how much? Rupees 4,250. So what all are given in the question? Selling price and profit is given. We have to find the cost price. So if selling price and profit is given, how will we find the cost price? So selling price of computer is rupees 45,000. What is profit? Rupees 4,250. So we are finding cost price by how? Selling price minus profit. How we are finding the cost price? Selling price minus profit. So subtracting, what you are getting? 45,000 minus 4,250. Borrowing and all, 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 4, 0, here 4. So what is the cost price of the computer? Rupees 40,750. He bought the computer for rupees 40,750 and he sold the computer at rupees 45,000. Thereby he made a profit of rupees 4,250. Now one more question here. Next one is he incurred a loss of rupees 1,226. That means another computer he bought, he sold for the same price, rupees 45,000 itself. But by selling, he got a loss of 1,226. What is the cost price of that computer? How will you find? If selling price and loss is given, how will you find the cost price? So, selling price is rupees 45,000, loss rupees 1,226. What is the cost price? SP plus loss. So, adding what you are getting? 45,000 plus 1,226. You are getting rupees of 46,226. So, he bought the computer for rupees 46,226 and he sold it at a rate of rupees 45,000. So, thereby he got a loss of rupees 1,226. Now, one more example. If selling price is equal to rupees 4,586 and profit is 1,186, find CP. That means find cost price. So what is given here? Selling price is given, profit is also given. So if selling price and profit is given, we can find cost price by selling price minus profit. Now what is selling price? 4,586 minus 1,186. Subtracting, what you are getting? 6 minus 6, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 here same. So what is the answer? 4,400 is the cost price. So in today's class we discussed how to find CP. What is CP? Cost price. So two conditions we discussed for finding cost price. What are they? When profit and selling price is given, how can we find cost price? Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. When loss and selling price is given, how we are finding? Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. So in the previous class we discussed how to find selling price and today we discuss how to find cost price. Practice all these with many examples. Otherwise it will not stay in your mind. Copy down the notes of this video and attend the test paper. We'll meet with another session in the next video. Thank you.